Good morning. My name is Frank and I'm the owner of Dolphin Auto Wash here in Tanzania. As you can see behind me, I have the Sino T12 touchless car wash machine. I ordered this machine last year and I've been running it for about 6 months. And the machine has been very good. I've been working with Sino since the ordering process was seamless, and every time there was an issue, everything was seamless. The team was very responsive, and it's been very easy to operate. So I use my remote here, and every time I want to choose a setting, I just use the remote here, and we get anything that we want. So, as I said, the machine's very good. It's easy to install. I have an engineering background. I'm offering services for anyone that wants to install this machine. That's all I wanted to say, and